Are you available to work overtime?
I don't usually mind overtime. It's like...
I don't recommend you drive while we do this.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm parked up now.
Thanks for choosing West Chef Popeyes. My name is Diane Coffee, and I'm with Thomas today.
May I have a fish
ordering
sandwich,
food?
please? No.
Okay. Are you available to work weekends?
Yes.
Fish sandwich?
Fish sandwich, please. Saturday and Sunday?
Anything else?
Just one fish sandwich. That'll be all.
$4.80 please per round. Thank you.
Thank you. Saturday and Sunday is perfect.
You know I can see you. I know you're ordering food, but on this interview.
No, I'm not. I'm parked up. I'm in my car right now.
I can see that you're ordering a fish sandwich at McDonald's while you're doing this interview with me.
No, I'm not ordering anything. If I was, I'd be at Popeyes, but
I heard you ask for a fish sandwich. Do you need to order food, or would you like to do this interview?
No, I'll do the interview. Yeah, I wasn't ordering food. If I was, I already ordered it, but I didn't.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Do you have any ketchup? I mean, like, how soon were you?
No, I'm not the drive-thru, so I don't provide ketchup.
Yeah, I know. You're kind of making me hungry. I kind of want to go to a drive-thru now, but
You are at a drive-thru. I can see you.
No. No, I see.
Yes, yes. You are at a drive-thru.
No, I see how you would think that.
You.
I pulled into this random restaurant to do this interview.
You just asked for a fish sandwich. I can see and hear everything you're doing. Listen, maybe we should schedule this at another time. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.
I am parked up now.